No, I just need for running. I know I turn hungry, but once your voice, so yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Well, Salmon, I mean. So, yeah, I know I sound ugly, but just always make my channel. Alright, I am very sorry for that. Sorry. So, I know I sound very ugly right now. Maybe I'm going to make an alarm call about my monster soon. I see you soon. God, why today? Because of how ugly I sound. Oh my god, I'm so ugly. I know this feel is so freaking loud now, but what I want to tell you is that I've been making a lot for my monsters, and I've been making a lot of monsters, and a lot of more. And it took a long time, and yes, I did not, I didn't, I didn't use AI. Don't ask me, because I did not use AI. And please, please don't copy me. I'm not mad, but I'll be sad if you copy me, and I wouldn't really feel comfortable about that. So, all I want to say is that, one last thing is that think I'm just stuck because I'm not popular yet. I know when I want to get popular, but yeah. You are sorry for that.